Every organization must have a process in place that defines how work is done or certain activities are carried within an organization. So a business process typically, tells you what work needs to be done from the initial input of resources or information to the final output of a product or service. So it's a series of interrelated tasks, activities, and steps that are performed within an organization to achieve a specific goal or objective. Designing a business process aims to optimize efficiency, reduce error, ensure consistent and high quality results. So build workable business processes by defining objectives, designing streamlined workflows, allocating resources, integrating technology, documenting procedures, testing, training, monitoring, and then continually improving the system. So, for instance, we could look at building a business process for a customer order fulfillment process, and it will include first knowing what your objective is. We want to efficiently fulfill our customer orders while minimizing processing time and errors. So, what do I do? Look at all the bottlenecks that are within that process: manual data entry, lack of real-time inventory updates. You need to map all your current processes. Then design a process. You want to implement an automated order processing system that is linked to real-time inventory. So streamline your steps: order receipt, check your inventory, order packing, and shipping. Then next, you want to allocate resources. So budget for an order management software, hire your staff for packing and shipping. Make sure you have the budget to be able to pay for all these things. Then define roles you want to assign roles to the order processors, your inventory manager, the packer, the shipping coordinator. Make sure that their roles are properly defined and clearly stated. Then integrate your technology. So we looked at getting an order management software. So you want to integrate it with your inventory software. Then documentation. Create a comprehensive guide outlining each step, the software usage, the quality check. Everything should be properly stated within the process so that it's clear on what, or whoever is going to carry out the activity knows what to do. Then you can test. Pilot the process with small batch orders. So imagine if someone places like a small order, test it with that process. If I run you through this process I've created now, am I going to eliminate all those bottlenecks that I had identified earlier? Look at things like software glitches or communication gaps. Using that small process can help you have an idea of what it will look like when you implement the process. Then train your staff on how to use the software. Order priority and then quality check. Training is very important. Then monitor your order processing time, the accuracy, the customer feedback. So use data to improve efficiency. So while this whole process is going on, ensure that you are mapping out the data and all activities that is happening so that it can help you to make further decisions. Then regularly review order processing metrics, gather employee suggestions, optimize the process based on data, so that you can make an informed decision and then you're able to fulfill this order and ensure that your customers are properly satisfied. So in the next video, we'll be looking at different business processes that organizations use to achieve specific objectives. So your business processes can be applied to different aspects within your organization. So we'll look at that in detail in the next video. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.